This is Mrs. Poland for the Unit 14 review sheet on statistics. In this video, I'm going to go over example 20. A radio station claims to its advertisers that the mean number of minutes commuters listen to the station is 30. The station conducted a survey of 500 of their listeners who commute. The sample statistics are shown below. So we know so far that the sample size is 400. And we read on. A simulation was run 1,000 times based on the results of the survey. So based on the fact that the mean number of times, minutes commuters listened to the station was 29.11, and the standard deviation is 20.718. And we read on. Based on the simulation results, is the claim that commuters listen to the station on average 30 minutes plausible? Explain your response, including an interval containing the middle 95% of this data, rounding all answers to the nearest hundredth. So we know we need to create a confidence interval, and thankfully they give the summary statistics of that simulation in the upper right-hand corner of the diagram. So that enables us to use the formula for the 95% confidence interval, the mean plus or minus 2 times the standard deviation. So we substitute the mean from the simulation, 29.101, plus or minus 2 times the standard deviation of 0.934. So we have the mean plus or minus, and 2 times 0.934 is 1.868. We don't round yet. We round at the end. We then subtract, by the way, the 2 times the standard error is actually the margin of error, just so you know. So when I subtract that out, I end up with a lower end of the confidence interval of 27.233. And on the upper end of the confidence interval, 30.969. It's important to round, and so they want you to round to the nearest hundredth. So that would be 27.23 to 30.97. So that is the first part of that, but then we need to determine, is the company's claim that people listen on average 30 minutes a plausible value? Well, this confidence interval is the plausible value of the mean amount of time commuters listen. And so since 30 is contained within this confidence interval, we say yes, we can definitely support the company's claim. And you have to write out clearly in a full sentence your conclusion. So here's an acceptable conclusion. Since 80 is contained within the confidence interval, it is plausible that commuters listen to the station on average 30 minutes. And it's really important to get that on average in there. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions. See you tomorrow.